Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I will show you how to make my star wax, aka the star wax that I made. I modded to it so like it's not jiggly anymore. I like put more flour, a little bit more flour in it. It's kind of jiggly, right? Yeah, just a little bit jiggy. But yeah. So first, what you will need is flour. I am using all-purpose flour. It doesn't matter what kind of flour you use. Just get some flour. I will put that. Okay, so I will put that right there, and then what you will need is any kind of like, or you can use. You could probably use. Um, I'm using vegetable oil, but you can probably use like olive oil, sunflower seed oil, potato oil, anything like that. But I'm using vegetable oil. Put this right here. This is the flour, and this is the oil. Now, I'm putting it actually right here. Okay, so what you will need is you are going to have to need you're going to need okay, so you're going to need, hold on guys. Sorry about that guys, but what you will need is you will need something to mixture in and something so you can storage it. For me, I'm just using this purple container. Yeah, just a pink container. I have more of these, so I'm going to just use another one of these that I most certainly have. Okay, so here's another one. I have another one of those, and I'm going to use. Let me look for something for me to mix it in. So I'm going to mix the mixtures in this measuring cup. I got it from a Walmart a couple of months ago. So yeah. Anyways, so I'm going to use this to put the mixture in. I'm going to use this to put the star wax in, and I'm going to use this to mix the star wax and stuff together. Now, let's get straight into it. So first, I'm just gonna grab something soft and scoop the flour in. Okay, I found this. I got this from Walmart a couple of years ago. So I'm just gonna scoop it up and put it in. Oh, some already fell in there. Put that in there. And a couple of scoops of this. By the way, this is I just got this from Walmart. It was like an ice cream scooper, but I have a better one. One more. Okay. Now I'm going to pour oil into it. Not too much, not too little. Just perfect. Okay, that should be. Let me put a little bit more. Alright, that should be enough. Move this to the side. Alright, now I'm going to mix it with my bent up butter knife here. Just grab this real quick and alright. I'm ready to mix this up. So now let's just get to mixing. Jesus. Okay, if you hear any noise, mind it. Oh, what happened? Okay, so I did a couple of experiments off camera, and I found out that once you pour the oil, you have to instantly stir, and you can't stop stirring. You can't stop mixing the stuff together, or the oil will suck up the stuff and like instantly turn into something weird. So yeah, I'm going to redo this. After my experiments, I can clarify that this stuff is you have to mix it fast. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mix it fast. Not fast, but like fast enough for it to not you know, soak up all the soak up the oil. So yeah, that should be enough. Let me do one more. Oh, I hit the camera. One more. Alrighty. Now, oh my god, I just dropped that in the freaking flour. Are you kidding me? That's a habit. I don't know why. But anyways, set it right there. This is making a little bit of a mess, not a lot. Okay, so now I'm going for the oil. And let me get ready to stir it. Okay, let me get ready to stir and stir. Might need a little bit more oil. Put more oil. Oh, there we go. It's making it. There we go. That's better. That is much better. Can I grip it? No, I cannot. Okay. Let me put more flour in it so I really able to grip. More flour. That should be enough. Oh, I think I put too much. Oh wait. A little bit more. Just a little bit. Not too much. Oh, that's it. A little bit. Just going a little bit well. Arms are getting tired, so just stand up here. Okay, it looks to be done. So we'll take some, put it on my hands. Still a little bit too sticky. So I'll add a little bit more flour. This time I'll use my hands. Just not a handful, just a half a handful. Or like a quarter to a handful, or a penny to a handful. Something like that. Alright. That should be done, I believe. Let me whip some. No, still too sticky. Alrighty. Get some more flour then. Can't be too sticky, that's the problem. It can't be sticky. It shouldn't be sticky at all. But, yeah. The oil is making it sticky. Oh, that's perfect. Alright. Now I want to stir it off camera and stuff like that. So yeah. Okay. I believe it's done all the way. So now what I want to do, you want to get your container, whatever you're putting it in, and put it in here. Just like this. This is gonna make me have 2 containers of this. So that is always good. Because that will show you that I actually have my real one right here. Slide it in right here. That is the first one I made. Okay, I'm gonna put all this in the container, and a flash. And there you have it. Your homemade non non non-petroleum jelly or non-petroleum jelly. Your non-petroleum jelly slash Vaseline free. So yeah. So like it's really easy. As you can see, I did a tutorial on it. This video was 10 minutes, and I think it's oozing up the side here. Yeah. Oh, is it? Oh, wait, it's not oozing. It's just. Oh, yes, it was oozing. Oh, let me just fix this real quick. Okay, so yeah, your Vaseline, aka petroleum jelly free scar wax. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like, and if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Only seven. There's only 70% of you guys are subscribed. 70% of you guys that watch my videos are subscribed. So yeah. So make sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends, because I believe this is the only video that shows you how to do it without Vaseline, aka petroleum jelly. So for that being said, I'll see you guys next time. And yeah. Bye.